Hello everyone, I'm Lizzie, sales staff from K Hair. Are you a hairstylist, a salon owner, or simply someone looking to add a short touch of luxury to your hair? If you are in Mexico and searching for the highest quality Virgin hair, in this video, I will guide you through the process of importing premium Vietnamese Virgin hair directly from our factory, K Hair. Vietnam is renowned worldwide for its superior quality, ensuring that we offer only the best our customers. No setting, no tangle. Our hair is 100% Vietnamese human hair, come from Vietnamese women. Mostly our hair is collected from villages in high mountains with cold weather. Therefore, the hair is really strong and silky. The hair is not affected by the sunlight. Our factory K Hair offers a wide variety of hair extensions in the following categories: buck hair, clip-in extensions, tip-in extension, and tape-in extension, web hair, keratin tip, and many other types of hair extension. Our best-selling Virgin hair type in the Mexican hair market is buck, tape-in, and keratin tip extension. Now, let's talk about the steps to import Virgin hair from Vietnam to Mexico. Importing Vietnamese Virgin hair is a straightforward process. The first step is research and understand regulation and customer side. Before you start importing, familiarize yourself with the import regulation in Mexico, and so you understand the custom duties and any restriction on importing human hair. In addition, you should learn about the popular hair type that people in Mexico prefer and make a list of the type of hair you need to buy. Step 2. Find a reliable supplier. When selecting a Vietnamese hair vendor, consider the following factors: reputation, certification, and customer reviews. Step 3. Place order and payments. Once you've selected your products, it's time to place order. Be sure to discuss shipping options with your suppliers. K Hair offers multiple payment methods depending on your budget and time. The most popular international payment methods in Mexico is Western Union. Western Union is the world's largest provider of international money transfer services at 510,000 locations in 200 countries. Some other popular methods are bank transfers, Pioneers, Remedy, and RIA. Step 4. Shipping and custom clearance. The most commonly used shipping methods for international shipping to Mexico are FedEx, DHL, and UPS. FedEx is the most popular method because it's low shipping cost and the fast delivery time, about 3 to 5 days. After your order is shipped, it will go through custom clearance in Mexico. Make sure you have all necessary documentation, including invoices and shipping labels, to avoid delays. Our team at K Hair can guide you through this process to ensure a smooth transition. Import duty and taxes will only be assessed on items imported into Mexico when the total CIF value of the imported good exceeds the minimum level of Mexican import duties or taxes from $50. Step 5. Receive your product and inspect. Once your hair arrives, inspect the products thoroughly. Make sure they meet your quality standards. If you have any issues, contact your supplier immediately to resolve them. The final step is promote and sell. Now that you have your Virgin hair in hand, and it's time to showcase it, use social media, online store, or local markets to reach potential customers in Mexico. Highlight the quality and beauty of Vietnamese hair to attract buyers. Importing Virgin hair from Vietnam to Mexico can be a rewarding venture. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and insights. If you have any question about shipping, payment methods, or how to import, please contact me via WhatsApp. See you next time.